Today I was driving home from a job minding my own business when I saw this field of sunflowers. They're a little past their peak, rough around the edges, but to me, there's something still beautiful about them. They're still standing tall, hanging on like they're trying to prove something. They're not giving up yet. Some still reaching for the skies if they're determined to keep pushing upward, undeterred like nature's last hurrah before winter. What a fun place to fly, the voice in my head said. So I pulled my truck over because when that voice speaks, I listen. I'm telling you, folks, it was like I was creating a masterpiece. Spielberg in the sunflower field. Just me, my drone, and these resilient in the season blooms. Everything was going smoothly until my drone kissed the tallest sunflower like it was trying to make a bold new friendship and failed miserably. In an instant, my drone and my ego crashed down in one fell swoop. I watched through my goggles helpless as it made a nosedive straight into the sunflower sea. One minute it was racing through the air, the next it was tangled in vines and sunflower stalks like it had decided to take a nap in the worst possible spot. All I have to show here is pre-crash footage, but hey, it's too cool not to share. I usually have a beacon attached to my drone because, well, let's be honest, stuff happens. But today, oh no, today I decided I don't need the beacon. I got this. Famous last words. Now my drone's down somewhere in the middle of that sunflower jungle and I've got nothing but a vague memory of where it might have crashed. No beacon, no radar. Just me, a field of sunflowers, and a sinking feeling. A unique kind of heartbreak. So here I go, bravely marching into the sunflower wilderness. Ground cover's knee-high and ruddy, with hidden weeds and vines wrapping around my ankles like they're trying to hold me hostage. And then there was random gourds hidden below the weeds, ambushing my every step. Why are there gourds here? It's like the whole field band together just to mess with me. I was out here for hours. Every step felt like I was scaling a mountain. My leg and hips were scorching in pain. I'm too old for this. I got the feeling even the sunflowers were laughing at me. I've crashed drones before. It happens, but I've never actually lost one, and today isn't going to be the day I'm defeated. After some time searching, my body was saying otherwise. Give up, old man. And I was about to do just that. Give up. Worn out, exhausted. Then I did what I probably should have done from the beginning. I prayed, gave thanks, and kept looking. I took a deep breath and searched just a few more feet straight ahead. And then there it was. It was hidden among the sunflowers tangled in a web of vines. As if it had been waiting for me to come find it. This is a small miracle. The drone's a bit banged up now and missing a filter, but it's back in my hands, and that's a victory in my book. So what did we learn today? The road to success is rarely without its bumps. Sometimes it's full of ruts. tangled vines, and hidden obstacles. But with perseverance and a touch of stubbornness, we'll find our way through, no matter how challenging the path. Keep on keeping on. Until next time, folks, I'm off to find an ice pack.